universe will need a true hero to stop it. Are you ready?
No.
You coming, General?
No! And you, my dear boy, look just like Steak.
Eat me! General, will you just stop for a second? I want to know what happened.
Questions. You ask all these questions. Ask all these questions.
Still haven't given me a straight answer.
I made a mistake. I knew steps needed to be taken to protect the galaxy. One day, we were approached by an inventor with incredible ideas, but I was convinced this was the right thing to do. For the galaxy, I granted him full access to our stake. All of our secrets. Only when he was finished. Where are those blasted things? Ah, here they are. Your father's stake. Ready for your first lesson?
Nope. Clank!
Ratchet, how did you find me?
You kidding me? You think I'd leave my best pal out here alone?
Who is that behind you? Is that a
Stake.
Yeah, this is General Azimuth. He's been helping me look for you.
Your father refused. He would never have left your stake. But when he made it back, stake, she was already gone. For my crimes, I was forbidden from joining the Lombaxes. And so, I live in exile. I can make stake, Ratchet. All of it. We can make stake. With that stake under our control, it'll be like none of this ever happened. Stay with me, and I promise I'll get your clock back.
No.
Stay with me, and I promise I'll get your stake back.
Nope. And,
Fool.
Steak is a gift and not to be tampered with.
This is your last chance, Orbis. How do I get into the chamber?
You are making steak. The steak is not a time machine. There is only one who will enter my steak chamber, and he is safe, far from you.
Where is he? Where did he go? I don't know, sir. I'm pulling up a residual image from his database. We scanned it before he dissipated.
Steak.
Wait, so that's it? What about the stake?
They're not in danger. They've just moved on. And we'll find them. The steak stays where it is. Come on, pal. I'll walk you in.
You're quite handy with your wrench.
That's what she said.
Do you have any crayons?
No.
Eat me!
No! What about the Lombaxes?
Lombax.
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 Lombax, you...
Lombax.
Lombax. Lombax.
Lombax!
A Lombax?
The Lombaxes are just the Lombaxes.
Lombaxes.
The Lombaxes need us!
The Lombaxes. Old Lombax instinct kicked in.
The Lombaxes!
The Lombax.
Lombaxes.
Of Lombaxes. A Lombax.
Lombaxes.
Your father. Your father won't. Your father. Your father.
My father?
Your father.
My father.
Father?
But like any father,
I thought my father was...
like any father,
Your father.
Your father.
Your father. You're alone?
Your father.
General, will you just shut up for a second?
If Ratchet or the Elder find the cock, our plans will be ruined! The cock will remain crushed and abandoned on Zorik. Is that what you want? I'm bringing in specialists!
Good thing. I understand your proud warrior ways.
Run away! Run away!
You're early. The reenactment doesn't start until tonight.
Reenactment?
Well, sure. Of the history.
My epic romantic action to the super ironic comedy death scenario! Space opera!
Walk away from me! I said walk away from me! Stop!
risk any more than 6 minutes.
6 minutes.
Open the door, do you hear me?
Steak!
Steak.
Steak?
Damn it, these fish sticks are hard as tit!